The story of mechanical keyboards begins with the invention of the typewriter, a groundbreaking tool in the 19th century. This innovation laid the foundation for tactile feedback mechanisms we cherish today. As technology advanced, the first commercial mechanical keyboards emerged in the late 1970s, enhancing typing speed and accuracy. Notably, IBM's Model M in the 1980s epitomized this technological leap, setting standards in durability and user satisfaction with its distinctive clicky keys. Today, mechanical keyboards have enjoyed a resurgence among enthusiasts and gamers for their reliability and customizable features. This journey from typewriters to modern mechanical wonders encapsulates the enduring quest for a seamless typing experience, intertwining past innovations with today's cutting-edge technology.